Hi, I'm Sean Powers, and this is your Linux Journal Tech Tip of the Day. This week I'm doing some network troubleshooting for some friends, and one of the things I'm trying to do is set up an access point. Now, I don't know the IP address to this access point, so basically if you look on the bottom, you'll get this MAC address. Well, go ahead and write the MAC address down, and then on your computer, you may have to be root or sudo into root. What you want to do is type ARP. I use -A because then the output will fit on my small screen better, but ARP, A-R-P. And what that's going to do, it'll show you the ARP table on the computer. Now right now it's just the one entry that's my Ethernet port. So basically if you ping like something on the internet so that your traffic has to route through the wireless access point you're trying to find, it will store the MAC address in the ARP table. So we do this again after pinging something on the internet, and what we'll see is more than one. Now, I'm on a very, very small network here, so I'm only going to show 2 ARP entries. But basically, you look for that number that you wrote down, look for it in the ARP table. See, we have, these are the Ethernet addresses, like will be written on the bottom of the wireless access point. And then you'll know in your ARP table what the IP address is. You access that over a web browser, and that's how you can configure the access point. So it's an easy way to find IP addresses for things that you just don't know what they are. ARP.
For more tips like these, don't forget to stop by linuxjournal.com. See you there.